Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sergeant Love. Today we're going to be going over fractions. We're going to be multiplying mixed numbers to get our answer, right? So let's just get straight into it. So if you guys remember, when it comes to turning a mixed number into an improper fraction, that's what we're going to need to do so that we can actually multiply things, right? So it's going to be 5 times 2, which equals 10, and then 10 plus 2, that equals 12. 12 is what becomes the numerator, and what you got from the bottom, the denominator, is going to be the same denominator. So it's going to be 12 over 5 times, and then we're going to move over to the next one. 8 times 3 equals 24, plus 3, 25, 26, 27, 27, over, we're going to take the same denominator and put it down here, right? Now that we have our answers, before we can multiply these, we're going to go ahead and reduce again. So, with that being the case, 4 can go into 12 3 times, so that'll get reduced to 3. 4 can go into 8 2 times, right? Nothing can go into 5 and 27 simultaneously using the same number. So now we'll go ahead and proceed with the process. 27 times 3, well, let's just do the quick math for that real quick. 27 times 3, that equals 21. 3 times 2, that's 6, 7, 8. That makes 81. So you're going to be left with 81 on top, right? And then 5 times 2, that's going to be 10, right? So that leaves us with the improper fraction, 81 over 10. Now we will keep that unless, we will only keep that if it tells us to in the question. However, normally you can't leave the improper fraction as that. So we're going to turn that back into a mixed number, right? So with that being the case, 81 divided by 10. 10 can't go into 8, but 10 can go to 81 8 times, right? You're going to do 80 minus 81. That leaves you with 1. So your whole number is going to be 8. Your numerator is going to be 1. And then we're going to pull back this denominator right here. So it ends up being either 81 over 10 or 8 and 1/10. And that's how you're going to multiply mixed numbers and turn it back into an improper fraction.